In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Proton Mail on Chrome and secure your account with a hardware security key for two-factor authentication. This essential security measure adds an additional layer of protection to your communications, ensuring your account remains safe from unwanted access. Let's dive in and get started. First, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser on your device. In the address bar at the top, type in the Proton Mail website URL and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner where you'll see the login button. Click on that, enter your Proton Mail email address, followed by your password, and then click on the login button. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be greeted by your inbox page. Now, let's move on to the settings, which is where the magic happens. Look through the top of your screen, and you should see a gear icon, which represents your settings menu. Click on this icon to navigate to the settings page. Once you're in, you'll find several tabs on the left-hand side. What you're looking for is the Security tab, so go ahead and click on that. As you scroll down, you'll come across an option labeled Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This feature is crucial because it requires more than just your password to access your account, thus adding a valuable layer of security. Locate the option that says Set up Security Key and select it. A prompt will appear, guiding you through the process of setting up your hardware security key. At this point, take your hardware security key, which you've prepared for this process, and insert it into an available USB port on your computer. Some keys might connect through a USB-C or other port type, so make sure it's compatible with your computer. Once connected, the on-screen instructions will guide you through the setup process. Follow these instructions carefully. They might ask you to tap or touch the security key at certain points during configuration. This confirms your ownership of the device and links it securely to your Proton Mail account. After you have successfully followed the instructions, you should receive a confirmation that your security key has been set up. And with that, congratulations! You have now added a powerful layer of security to your Proton Mail account. In the future, whenever you log in, you will be prompted to use this security key, preventing unauthorized access even if someone else has your password. This simple, effective measure ensures your emails remain confidential and protected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in securing your account. Now go forth with peace of mind, knowing your communications are safer than ever.